Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with the Hindu vocabulary. Indigenous, which is a noun meaning Swadeshi, native. Synonyms: aboriginal, local. Antonyms: expatriate. Example: the most indigenous inhabitants were the American Indians. Angst, which is a noun meaning utkantha or anxiety. Synonyms: fear, dread. Antonyms: calmness. Example: the middle classes go through existential angst. Oust, which is a verb meaning bahar nikalna or expel. Synonyms: force out, remove. Antonyms: readmit. Example: the reformists were ousted from power. Blight, which is a noun meaning shati, affliction. Synonyms: scourge, bane. Antonym: blessing. Example: the vacant properties are a blight on the neighborhood. Forgo, which is a verb meaning tyagna, do without. Synonym: go without, give up. Antonym: keep. Example: I'll forgo dessert tonight, I'm trying to lose weight. Affluent, which is an adjective meaning dhani, wealthy. Synonyms: rich, prosperous. Antonym: poor. Example: I reside in an affluent neighborhood. Dawn, which is a noun meaning the start of a period of time or the beginning of something new. Garner, which is a verb meaning to collect or gather. Scattershot, which is an adjective meaning trying to deal with a lot of things in a way that is not well organized. Decisively, which is an adverb meaning in a manner that settles an issue convincingly or produces a definite result. Whopping, which is an adjective meaning huge, large, massive, extensive, excessive. Underscore, which is a verb meaning to emphasize the importance of something. Legitimacy, which is a noun meaning the fact that something is legal. Nail biting, which is an adjective of a situation characterized by or causing suspense. Denouement, which is a noun meaning outcome or result. That's all for today. We'll be back with more daily vocabulary words. Thank you.